good to be back out on the bike. It's been a long time. Just got stared out by a little 4-year-old kid though in the garage. Made me feel uncomfy.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
It's not as warm as they said it was gonna be. This is Easter Sunday, this is. It gave it quite warm. But no. Yesterday and Friday were the warmest days by the looks of it. So I'm just bringing her out for a little blast, just topped her up. Go nip down to Oggie's, see if he's in, I think. Just drop a memory stick off, and that's it really. That's all I'm doing today. Yeah, it's not warm. Oh, I can feel that draft heated grips on. Let's get them on medium. So yeah, we've not been had any videos out for a while now. I'm gonna have these. Yeah, it's been a shit few months really, so that's why we've not been out. Lost my dad in December, and we lost Lily as well. I don't even know what month we're in, what we're in, April, so that was March. So yeah, it's been a shit few months. Just got to get better. And these potholes are fucking silly on the roads. So yeah, that's why we've not been doing out. And plus I don't ride in winter. Look at these bikers here. Little scooter boys. But as my dad would say, fucking get out there lad, enjoy it. So yeah, I've come out for a little bath, give her a run today. Started first time, checked the pressure in the tyres, had to put a bet in, about £3 pressure in front and rear it lost, which ain't bad for about fucking 6 months. But yeah, it's nice to be out. Just got to keep your eye out for fucking potholes now. Oh God, the bloody baby ain't lost its appeal, it really hasn't. So yeah, since my dad passed, it's been fucking hard, it has. It's the first bit of, I say close, someone close that I've lost. And it's not fucking nice, I don't think it's really sunk in yet. This is when it'll sink in. Now I'm out on my bike, because this is what we used to do the videos for. I was in two minds where we just fucking stop doing videos now. But then again, it's fucking memories in it. You may as well just make as many as you can. So that's what we're doing. We're just going to carry on chatting shit as normal. Oh yeah, I've been February I was in hospital myself for a week again, gallbladder infection, fucking agony. So I'm waiting to hear whether I've got to have that out. No stones are out, the fucking infection. But I've not heard out. My blood pressure was that high. It was something like 225 over 144, something like that. It was silly. The nurse said it was the highest she took, so I'm now on blood pressure tablets every morning. Low fat diet. I've lost about a stone I think, so I'm sticking to that. I have one treat a week, which I had last night, which was spicy fried rice, curry and a few salt and pepper chips. Loved it, but honestly whenever I eat something sort of like fatty now, fucking stomach feels off. So yeah, once a week's enough. So all these little biker cafes we're going, I'm have to go for the healthier meal now. But yeah, I've got to lose some weight. It's a fucking eye-opener. Put me on cholesterol tablets, but only one. I think they look for about 5. I'm 5.7, so I'm only just got high cholesterol sort of thing. But I asked if it could come down with just if I carry on dieting. He said yeah, it'll come down so far, but at your age now, you're probably best on tablets. So I went on the tablets for a couple of weeks. Fuck me, it's a wonder I didn't get sacked. I was making that many mistakes at work. I was tired all the time, couldn't get enough sleep, and I bet I made a year's worth of mistakes in 2 days, refunding people when I should have been charging them. So I've come off them, rung the doctor, told them, said look, get confused and all sorts. Fucking, I honestly thought it was the early signs of oh, what's it called? Dementia. That's what I thought. So I stopped taking them, went to see the doctor, and she said look, you can do it by diet, you need exercise as well, which I don't get any because I live on my computer at home. So if I'm not still at work serving people, I'm sat on my computer desk at home. Well, not my desk, they wouldn't take my weight, it'd be my chair. And if it's nice, I'm sat on a motorbike. So yeah, got to start doing something, even walking. I was going to start gym again, I had all that planned in, that never turned out again. My dad fucking told me before he went, he said you go to the gym. He started laughing and said not a chance. I was going to prove him wrong, but then I realised he's fucking right, the lad, he's always fucking right. Can't wait for a little camping trip, Elan Valley. Fuck mate, I miss being out on my bike, I have. Love this road. Love it. Love this fucking bike, I do. It's my little pack. It does. Oh, little Jacks, if you're watching, can't show you. There, Uncle E, got your key ring on. The loggy weren't in anyway, he'd just gone out. But at least I've had a spin out. Coming off the estate though, I saw our Sam, Billy and my mum going back Sam's house. I went there for a brew. Should have had a piss, because now what a piss. But I didn't. Why have you only got one brace on, mate? That's weird.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.